Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is September 11th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. IKEA, the global furniture giant, is pioneering the use of generative AI to revolutionize the way customers design their living spaces. By integrating advanced AI and augmented reality technologies, IKEA aims to enhance the shopping experience, making it more personalized and efficient. A standout innovation is the introduction of an AI chatbot powered by ChatGPT, designed to act as a personal design assistant for shoppers. This chatbot, initially launched in the US with plans for wider rollout, offers tailored product recommendations and design advice, complementing IKEA's creative tool. This tool allows users to visualize and customize their living spaces in a mixed reality setting, blending physical and digital elements seamlessly. Behind these technological advances, IKEA has established an ethical AI task force, ensuring that the deployment of these powerful tools aligns with responsible and sustainable business practices. Furthermore, the company is committed to upskilling its workforce, empowering employees to leverage AI in problem-solving and operational efficiencies. Parag Parekh, IKEA Retail's Chief Digital Officer, shared insights into how these digital tools aim to transform the traditional shopping journey. Before AI, customers would browse products online or in-store before making a purchase. Now, with AI, they can embark on a more dynamic and interactive design process, envisioning and planning their ideal living spaces with sophisticated AI guidance. This shift not only simplifies decision-making for customers, but also signifies IKEA's forward-thinking approach to retail, blending technology with human-centric design principles to redefine home furnishing. From AI to surprises, in a trend that's catching fire across the US, brands are tapping into the allure of mystery to spark consumer excitement and drive sales. Originally popular in Asian markets, the concept of blind boxes, selling products without revealing their exact nature or variation, has found robust demand stateside. This phenomenon has been especially lucrative for companies like Pop Mart, which reported earnings of $1.93 billion in the first half of the year, thanks to its Labubu dolls and other mystery items. The trend isn't confined to toys. From fast casual dining to high-end cookware, companies are experimenting with mystery items to captivate customers. For instance, Cava, a food chain, recently drew in customers with a blind box-style giveaway featuring pita chip plushies, leveraging the social media buzz around similar promotions to boost their brand visibility. This strategy not only feeds into the universal joy of receiving surprises, but also enables brands, including luxury ones, to engage with a broader audience by offering products at more accessible price points. Moreover, the blind box craze is proving particularly appealing to adults who, driven by nostalgia and a growing kidult consumer base, are increasingly indulging in these surprise items. Brands like MGA Entertainment have noticed a significant uptick in adult interest, especially for products that evoke childhood memories, such as LOL Surprise dolls, themed around iconic characters like the Powerpuff Girls and Care Bears. Ultimately, blind boxes represent a smart bet for brands looking to generate buzz, clear inventory, and foster a sense of community and excitement among consumers of all ages. Switching from mystery to motors, Ford launches Ready Set Ford, its most significant brand revamp in over a decade, aiming to transform the iconic 122-year-old auto manufacturer from a product-focused to a customer-centric entity. Collaborating with Weeden Kennedy, the campaign seeks to resonate with younger demographics by showcasing Ford's commitment to excitement, innovation, and its rich motorsport legacy. Highlighting vehicles like the Bronco, Mustang, and F-Series, the initiative targets explorers, speed enthusiasts, and creators, promising capability, passion, community, and trust. The campaign, featuring an energetic first ad that pays homage to Ford drivers' adventurous spirit, will span TV, digital, and social media platforms, with a global rollout by year's end. This move comes as Ford prepares to re-enter Formula One and celebrates off-road racing's successes, marking a strategic pivot to rejuvenate its brand image and appeal. From revamps to deals, Oracle's shares jumped after the company announced it had secured several multi-billion-dollar contracts, with OpenAI being one of the notable clients. OpenAI is set to buy $300 billion in computing power from Oracle over 5 years, starting in 2027, marking one of the most significant cloud deals in history. Though Oracle remained tight-lipped and OpenAI did not comment, their partnership isn't new. OpenAI began working with Oracle in the summer of 2024, moving away from relying solely on Microsoft Azure. This shift coincides with OpenAI's participation in the Stargate project alongside SoftBank and Oracle, aiming to invest $500 billion in domestic data centers over 4 years. Despite competing in AI, OpenAI also struck a deal with Google earlier this year, underscoring its voracious need for computing resources. After Oracle, onto Klarna. Klarna, a 20-year-old fintech company, marked its debut on the New York Stock Exchange, raising $1.4 billion in a successful IPO. The company's shares, initially priced above the expected range at $40, soared to open at $52, later stabilizing around $46. This venture significantly benefited existing investors, particularly Sequoia Capital, Klarna's largest shareholder, amidst others like BlackRock and Silver Lake, who sold shares while retaining most of their stakes. Interestingly, co-founder CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski didn't sell any shares, maintaining control of about 7.5% of Klarna, now valued at over $1 billion. The IPO not only underscores Klarna's journey from a wild idea to a major player on the global stage, but also highlights Sequoia's pivotal role, having supported Klarna since 2010. Despite the achievement, Klarna's IPO fell just short of breaking the year's record, set by CoreWeave with a $1.5 billion raise. From IPOs to innovation phrase. In a groundbreaking move in Canada, 2 quadriplegic patients have received Neuralink brain implants, enabling them to control computers using just their thoughts. This marks the first trial outside the U.S. for Elon Musk's high-profile Neuralink technology, first showcased in 2020 and implanted in a paralyzed American last year. The surgeries, led by Dr. Andres Lozano in Toronto, saw immediate success, with patients moving cursors on screens by just thinking soon after the procedure. While this technology opens new doors for individuals with spinal cord injuries, experts like Barry Munro urge a cautious optimism, emphasizing educated hope over expecting quick availability. The Canadian duo will be closely monitored for a year, with plans to extend the trial to more participants. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.